We're at Milton Elementary, and our main goal is to get inside the school and find all the dirty units, clean everything out fully, get the best airflow we can, and just get it as close to new as we can.
Well, really, this is a historical contract, probably the largest in STAR's history, taking on a startup of 36 schools, 18,000 tons of HVAC cooling. That's humongous. You'd be to wrap your mind around that. So facing that challenge, we knew we were gonna have to get to work.
Teamwork, one thing, it has to do with planning. We plan the jobs. We figure the right guys for the job. We've got the right supervisors on the job.
We want it to be a partnership between us and the administration and the principals itself, because the school board and the school systems hires us to do the work, but our customers are the kids, the principal, the administrators, the teachers on staff. That's who we work for. That's who we need to make sure we please.